Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to Access Advanced Features. Following that, click on One-Handed Mode and read all of those instructions. So to use one-handed mode using shortcut, you need to click on one-handed mode switch in the notification bar. So now when I open Tab menu and tap on one-handed mode, I can see that it's on. If you wish to go back, click on this dark area. But you can also click on this switcher next to access one-handed mode using gesture. And then, if you are using Tricky's navigation, swipe across the navigation bar to enter one-handed mode. But before that, select the best option for its size. If you want to, you can always click on Customized and simply adjust it later on. So when I swipe, as you can see, one-handed mode is on again. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon with the arrow located under Gear. If you wish to resize your screen, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you want to go back, click on dark area again. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode using gesture, tap on the same No Blue switcher next to this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!